doing a wheel bearing. Um, just replaced these wheel bearings, and my son was driving it around town and hit a pothole. He started hearing a noise, and the more we've driven it, the louder it's gotten. So I feel confident that it damaged the wheel bearing. Kind of aggravating. That's the way it is. But let's get into it. I'll take you through it. Well, first thing we got to do is we got to get this hub nut, or axle nut, excuse me. Got the big old 3/4 stuff out. It can be tight. Woo. Dang, it is tight. If the impact will get it or not, we'll have to see. Harbor Freight works well. Only thing that's give up on it is the ring that holds the sockets on. That's all. But so far, it's done well. All right, get the jack stand under this thing. Put a little fall protection under there. Yeah, my jack placement isn't exactly optimal. That ought to hold it. Shove the axle back a little bit. Don't like using the one size fits nothing wrench, but sometimes that's what you have at first grab. Two different size bolts, one long, one short. Lay them in the tray. We can get lost with all the others. Alright, take the caliper off. Brake pads. Alright, what size is this? 17? Well, what do you know about that junk? Then I'm gonna have to go look for yet more tools. They must be good old fashioned 19. And in a pinch, 3/4. I told myself I haven't organized these tools, but I may have lied to myself. Alright, more tools. Different box. Don't use your hands as a hammer, children. You'll pay for it one day. Already do. Into the box you go. And there's the bride. Rotor. Set it to the side. Alright. Yeah, 19. Alright, I got all these underneath. 14. And I'm going to take off. Man, that's nasty. Ew. Man, come out here and get dirty. Alright, 2 nuts and a bolt in the bucket. Ta-da! And for my next trick, let's see, is that 17? It is. Put one of these nuts back on here to keep this thing from coming off completely. Well, hell, isn't that special? Gotta keep it moving. More tools. Alright, let's crank the wheel to the left so we can actually get to it. Okay, boys and girls, bring you over here and show you this. Alright, see the tie rod right here? This part right here? Don't hit that. You hit the part that the stud actually goes through. Hit the part that the stud goes through. And 3 good wraps and she's done. And get your hands greasy. Whew, I gotta have CV axles on this thing soon. Surprised they're not clicking. Okay. Okay. I don't want to come out with a solution. I have a solution. I let my fingers work. I don't know about that. Where's mine? Okay. I was wondering if my strut. Just pull that axle out. think I did. I may have just screwed up. Hold on a minute. Nope, it's still together. That's just a shame right there. Just put that down there. Well, this ought to be a treat. I think I carried my better snap ring pliers for this particular job to work. Went ahead and popped the seal out. Generally, you can reuse these seals if you just take and clean them up a little bit. They're mainly just to keep dust, dirt, and water out of the bearing, and they don't generally go bad unless they're torn. I think I can do this with a regular pair of needle nose pliers. I'm gonna try my Leatherman. If I can get there we go, a thin screwdriver in behind it. Ooh, just barely got it in there. Yeah, and walk it out like that. Ooh, I'd rather be lucky than good any day. I'm going to use my buddy's press. I have another way to do this that I'm not going to show on video, so we'll get together in a couple of days when I can get over to my buddy's house and get access to the press. So, till then, later.